In this video, I'll be talking to you about the fake Ultimate Ears speaker, or for short, UE. Here's a quick look at the specifications or the things that you will be expecting from this speaker. I've been using this for a week and I can tell you right now the battery on this thing is pretty good. Alright, so the box the speaker came in is really solid and you don't have to worry about the speaker being damaged during shipping. Inside the box, you get a manual that is in Chinese and English. You get a bag that you can put the speaker in. You also get a USB Type-C charging cable, which is a big surprise for me, and a 3.5mm aux cable, and a lanyard to make it easier to carry it around. Nothing else came in the box, so now we turn our attention to the actual speaker. The first thing you will notice when you see it is the big plus and minus buttons. The Ultimate Ears Bluetooth speaker is well known for this, so that is why I call this unit a fake, or in other words, a copy. I know it doesn't have the designs of the past or current Ultimate Ear speakers, but I'm still calling it that because of the huge buttons on the side. This speaker is made out of plastic and also metal. Honestly, I was expecting it to feel cheap, but it doesn't. This thing has some weight to it. Hopefully it's heavy because of the speaker drivers, but nothing else. Overall, the build design is great. It has two passive radiators. One is hidden underneath the metal mesh and one is placed on the opposite side of the controls. It has 3 more buttons, one for turning the speaker on and off, a player pause button, and the M for switching between the Bluetooth mode and other media options. It does come with 2 speaker drivers and both are facing in one direction, so it's not a 360 speaker. Anyways, here is a quick sample of what it sounds like.
Play thy TF card.
Alright, so this speaker is selling right now for less than $10, and all I can say is the bass sounds really good. The treble is also there, so the sound is well balanced. I've been using this for a week and I can say that I've never heard any distortion even at maximum volume. Even during the speaker test, which you just heard, that was full volume and there was no distortion, which is amazing for a speaker that's only $10. Just like any speaker, this one does have some things that didn't work properly. I found out that when I use the USB thumb drive or even the micro SD card option to play music on maximum volume, the speaker will all of a sudden switch back to Bluetooth mode, only when the song has too much bass or when the battery is getting low. I found out why, and it's because the USB port or the SD card slot doesn't supply a constant voltage of 5 volts, which is what it needs. It will only output whatever voltage the battery is at. Other than that, I still like this speaker. It's cheap and it sounds too good for its price. I would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a cheap speaker to use in a small room. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please support me by liking this video and I'll catch you guys again on the next one. Peace.